Hello everyone. One of the questions that have been found that was asked in GET CS 2023 that the question was from data structures, and the question was like the context was like that a single linked list uh, is there and one double linked list is there. And for single linked list, we are having the address of the node that we want to delete, and we are having had a node address. It means that head node is provided to us and the address of the node that we want to delete, it is provided to us. Similarly, for the double linked list, head node is provided to us and the address of node that we want to delete is also provided to us. Now we need time complexity to delete these particular nodes in single linked list and double linked list respectively. Then four options are given like theta of n, theta of 1, both are going to do. So basically, I hope everybody know the concept of single linked list. That if we talk about single linked list, here it is a head node, and they are connected in this fashion, right? And this is concept of let's say single linked list, right? So let's say here some data is there 10, 20, 30, 40, likewise that, and if it is last node, it will have null, and they are addresses of that particular node, right? Similarly, if I talk about double linked list, then for double linked list, you know that we are having two pointers, the previous pointer and the next pointer. And we are also having head pointer here, and they are connected in this fashion, right? Here the previous address, here the next address. Similarly, likewise this, they are connected. And let's say if this is the last node, then this will have null and the first node's previous would have null, right? Now, if we want, let's say we want to delete this particular node in single linked list first, then 100% what would happen, guys? The time node, the time complexity to delete any particular node, let's say if you want to delete this node, it depends on the location of the node, isn't it? If the node of the, if the address of the node, let's say if the address of, let's say this address is given to us that we want to delete this node in single linked list, then what will happen that address of the node that to be deleted is provided, then time complexity would be order of n, isn't it? Why I am saying so? Because if we need to traverse the entire list starting from the node and starting from the head node and to find the node with the given address. So let's say we have found our given address node here. So once the node is found, we need to update the next pointer of the node, isn't it? We need to provide the next pointer of this node to this. We need to update it, isn't it? And for that, we need to basically, you can say that for updating this previous node to the point to the next node of the current node, effectively deleting the current node. So basically, we need to traverse up to that node. We also need to keep one pointer beside it so that we can make next of it to the next of it. So basically, we need to delete for deletion of this particular node. We need two pointers. One is here and one just behind it. So what will happen? We can just if we want to free it. So before freeing it, we can make the next of it as a next of it, right? So let's say if it is, let's say P and let's say it is Q. So we can make Q ka next equals to P ka next. So in this case, Q ka next will become this. It is going to hold this node, and thereafter we can free the P. So we must have to need up to this point. That is the order of n, we can say. And for doubling list, you know that if the head node is provided and address of the node that to be deleted, let's say we want to delete this node, it is also provided, then the time complexity would be order of 1 in double linked list. How we can say? Because in double linked list, each node has two pointers. One is previous pointer and one is next pointer, isn't it? One is previous pointer and one is next pointer. So one pointing to the next node and another is pointing to the previous node. Hence, once we find the node, the given address. So let's say here we have found the address of the given node, and thereafter we can update the next pointer of the previous node and previous pointer to the next node to bypass the current node. So effectively we can delete it. So in doubly linked list, we can perform the task using order of 1, but in singly linked list, we can do it in order of n. So I think if this is the question, order of 1, that is option A should be there. It is just based on the raw data that we are having that we are having like this, right? So if there is any updation in the questions, then we can have to modify our answer. Right now, official keys are not uploaded by the official gate authority of 2023. So I'm just analyzing it like that. If you are having any suggestions or you are having some more data, you can add into the comment section and it can make it better. So thank you guys. For some more videos or get 2023 questions, I am going to upload it shortly. But till then, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more such videos instantly on your devices. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.